How to add Google reviews to Wix. So in order to add a Google review, you can head over right here into your app market and then from here click onto the search apps and search in here for Google review. So there are actually some applications that actually help you integrate Google reviews in their site. So an example for that is the Google Reviews Pro by Market Push Apps. Just head over and click onto this add the site option. And then from in there, click onto this agree and add. Then after that, it will prompt you to actually add this particular application into your actual Wix site. So here it is when added into your dashboard. Just fill over and then set up your actual business name. Finish the setup. And then from in there, you can click onto this reviews option right here. And then in here, you can just import reviews by connecting your Google page. And then in here, you can also connect your Google business. Under this widget right here, this will prompt you to enable the site widget visibility. You can display this or display it on some pages. And it will show up what it will look like on this part. You can see in here the Google Reviews site. We have the main widget flow with reviews as well as reviews option. So that's how you add Google reviews to Wix. Hope we helped.